Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube app. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to settings. Tap general and then go to appearance. Now you will have three choices. Use device theme, light theme and dark theme. If you use device theme and your device is enabled with dark mode, then your YouTube will automatically turn into dark mode. And if you turn that off, your YouTube will come back to the light mode. And if you use the dark theme, your YouTube will always be on the dark mode. So I'll just tap on appearance and choose dark theme. And now let's go back and you'll see that the YouTube app reloads on the dark theme. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.